Welcome back to Rob's Home Bar. Earlier this week we made peach liqueur. Now we gotta make some peach cocktails. Before we get going, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're subscribed, you hit that bell, and you get notified because we're always making new liqueurs and new cocktails on the channel. Alright, this first one's got bourbon, it's got peach, it has tea. This is the Bourbon Peach Tea. Oh yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we're going to start with our homemade peach liqueur. If you haven't watched it, make sure you click that link, go watch that video, come back here afterwards. So 1 ounce of our homemade peach liqueur. If you had a peach schnapps, any other peach liqueur, use that, but we made our own. After that, we need 1 ounce of bourbon. I'm using Buffalo Trace. So it's going to be nice and peachy because we're doing equal parts of our spirit and liqueur. We're going to add a little more by adding 1/2 ounce of triple sec, or I'm using Cointreau, but any orange liqueur really. All right, and what makes this a bourbon peach tea, of course, is the tea. So we have here some plain black tea that we brewed and then we let it cool. So 1.5 ounces of cooled brewed black tea. And that's it. We're stirring this one. So we're in a mixing glass, get your spoon, give it a good stir for about, 10-20 seconds until the ice kind of releases, nice and chilled and diluted. We're going to serve in a rocks glass with a nice big rock of ice. I don't have clear ice. I'm very sorry. I forgot to make some. No worries. There it is. We're going to garnish with a slice of lemon, and wow, that just looks amazing. Can't wait to try that one. Moving on, however. I forgot to mention, these are all using whiskey today. So we got bourbon, now we got Irish whiskey, a little bit of orange juice. This is the Irish Gold. And you know I'm going to love this one because it's got ginger beer. So we're going to fill a Collins glass with ice, give it a little stir. Then we're going to grab Tullamore Dew. I have the Caribbean cask here, so this has been aged in Caribbean rum casks. But any Irish whiskey you want. I believe this drink was actually created by the Tullamore Dew company, which is why I decided to use their whiskey. But 2 ounces of Irish whiskey, regardless of which one you're using. And then we want 1/2 ounce of our peach liqueur. All right, 1/2 ounce into our Collins glass. Now after that, the recipe called for a splash of orange juice, which I equate to 1/4 ounce. I don't like too much orange juice in my cocktails. It is freshly squeezed. I mean, that does make a difference, but I'm still not a big fan of orange juice in cocktails. And after that, we're going to top it off with ginger beer. I'm using the Canada Dry ginger beer, but any ginger beer. I like this one because it's got a nice fresh ginger taste, but it's also spicy. Very spicy. So yeah, use the ginger beer you like. And there it is. We're going to garnish this one with a slice of orange. Just tuck it back there. And there it is. The Irish Gold cocktail. That one also looks quite delicious. So I can't wait to try them. I haven't tried any of these prior to making this video. All right, there it is. Moving on to our last drink. From bourbon to Irish to Scotch. We're using Scotch. We got ginger liqueur, peach liqueur, of course. This is This and That. It's kind of a mix between a Mountain Man cocktail and a penicillin. We're going to start with 2 ounces of Scotch. I'm using Isla Mist. It's my favorite mixing Scotch because it's inexpensive, but it's really good and it's nice and smoky. All right, 1/2 ounce of our peach liqueur, the star of today's episode. 2 ounces, 1/2 ounce into the glass. Then the recipe did call for ginger syrup. I prefer to use my ginger liqueur. You can click that link, check out the recipe for my ginger liqueur. But we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of ginger liqueur as well. I think between the peach and the ginger liqueurs, you're gonna get enough sweetness. If you can go ahead and use a ginger syrup, that's all I have. And then 1/2 ounce of lemon juice to top this one off. So you see it's kind of penicillin and a Mountain Man. We're gonna ice, flippy move, shaky shake. There we go. Good 15-20 second shake. And for this one here, we're gonna serve in a rocks glass, and I'm just gonna do a dirty dump on this one here. Straight dump from the tin. You could strain over fresh ice. You could strain over a big rock. Whatever you want. Garnish with a lemon again. And there it is. This and That. We've got our 3 drinks. Off to the tasting room. All right, so let's taste our 3 peach cocktails made with our homemade peach liqueur. I'm gonna go in the order. So this is the peach bourbon tea. something like that. All right, so here it is. That is really good. That is basically just like peach iced tea with bourbon. Now I was worried that it wouldn't be sweet enough, but wow, this is really good. Kind of the wrong time of year to be drinking this. This is like a perfect summer drink, but yeah, this is just like peach iced tea with bourbon. I was worried the sweetness level wouldn't be high enough, but wow, that's fantastic. The Irish Gold. Now, I'm probably going to love this right off the bat because I like anything with ginger beer, so a little biased. You know what? That little splash of orange juice is not doing this any favors. It's good. I like Irish whiskey. I like the peaches, giving it some flavor. And of course, I love ginger beer, but that little splash of orange juice, it's not a lot, but I don't know why it's there. It doesn't need to be there. Yeah, it kind of like mellows it, and I don't want it mellow. It's still very good. The this and that. So this is kind of like a cross between a Mountain Man and a penicillin. It seems kind of watered down. I'm wondering if that's because I did a dirty dump. Although this is the last one I made, and I just made it literally like 2 minutes ago. It shouldn't have diluted that quickly, but now the flavors coming off it are not as good as the penicillin. I'm gonna have to try the Mountain Man. But the peach is kind of like gets lost in the ginger. I definitely get the ginger. I definitely get the lemon and the scotch, obviously, but the peach is kind of lost. I'm gonna have to try the Mountain Man. It's not bad, but it's not great. This is definitely the winner for today. This is just delightful. Really, really good. Well, there they are, guys. I forgot to do my rating, but obviously the Bourbon Peach Tea was the winner, followed by the other two. Hope you give these a try, and definitely check out that Peach Liqueur and more of our liqueurs on the channel. We've got a whole bunch, so click those links, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you next time. Cheers, guys.